Would you survive if the city shuts down? When the city turns wild, will you know what to do? Here are the essential urban survival tips you need. Urban survival is no joke. First, always have a go bag ready. This should include essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and important documents. You never know when you'll need to grab it and go. Next, learn the ins and outs of your neighborhood. Know the fastest exit routes and safe spots like hospitals and police stations. In an emergency, seconds matter. Another critical tip: stay connected. Have a list of emergency contacts and alternate ways to communicate if cell networks go down. Walkie-talkies or even a loud whistle can save lives. In case of civil unrest, blend in with the crowd. Avoid drawing attention to yourself and steer clear of large gatherings. Stay low, stay safe. Remember, your home is your fortress. Secure your windows and doors and have a plan to barricade them if needed. Basic tools can be a game changer. For natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes, have a designated safe room. This should be a small, windowless interior room on the lowest level. Stock it with supplies. Lastly, stay informed. Keep a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio to get the latest updates. Information is power. Follow for more essential survival tips. Stay safe, stay prepared, and own your urban jungle.